Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Trade with Precision Free newsletter. Today I would like to discuss the yen pairs. First, a warning. Today is USA Independence Day, so USA is a public holiday. The market liquidity may be drying up today, so just be aware of the potential trading risk info today. So first, I'm looking at the US dollar against Japanese yen. We can see start from the monthly chart. This chart, the price is just holding strongly above this 110 level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. This is the 5th month now in a row. Price is holding above 110 and started to rolling up again. So this is a longer term momentum, shows very promising. And on the weekly chart, what we can see here is the price has been has been going up 1, 2. This is the third week in a row. So that's why I'm quite keen to look for a potential long trade. Daily chart yesterday, price has another big push up and clear some sort of old high over the past many days, and also clear the high of this big drop down day, so which means everything points to the upper line of the resistance level around 115.30-ish, around there. So this is quite a big potential trading window out there. So that's why I'm stalking an entry from lower time frame. So the key time frame I'm looking at is on the 4-hour chart. We can see this big major high has been cleared yesterday. So waiting for the price to coming back to retesting the high. So this area is around 113. So by then, if the price does pull back and test here and confirms support, and hopefully it will catching up with the moving average buy zone somewhere between 10 and 20 period moving average, then I will be looking for a long trade setup from there, if that is the case setting up, because that's a potential what we call a trend flow strategy is setting up by then. This is the first one. Second one I'm looking at is Australian dollar against Japanese yen. We can see this huge bullish momentum is going on the daily chart, and everything points to the upper resistance line somewhere around here. So major resistance line around 87.50. So there are at least 80 pips potential window before it hits the top of the resistance. And that's why it's a good chart to continue to look for long trade. So similar to dollar yen, we can see yesterday the price has a big push up, not really strongly, but it cleared a resistance level on the 4-hour chart around 86.50. So if the price comes back, it will be acting as a strong support, and also it will be back into the moving average buy zone on the 4-hour chart as well. So similar to the dollar yen, and I'm expecting a small bullish candle sitting on top of this 86.50 level, and for a potential trend flow setup to the long side. So this is the AUD JPY. Next one I'm looking at is Swiss yen. So the reason I like Swiss yen chart is the change of trend on the monthly, higher high and higher low. So what's more significant about this chart is the price has broken through or coming out of a big trading range on the daily chart. So this is the top of the trading range. Now the price has a big push up, so which means all the power accumulated below the resistance line now just start to release its power. So that's why there should be a lot more potential to the upside. So that's why I'm quite keen to look for an entry from lower time frame. So this one compared to the other two yen pairs is a little bit different, because the price has formed a clear resistance level. First test, second test. I'm waiting for the price to rolling down on the 4-hour chart, then rolling up again for a third attempt, then consolidate with more small candles. Then I'll be keen to look for what we call a momentum breakout setup by then on the 4-hour chart, because this is a pair that offers a lot of potential to the upside. So yeah, these are the three Japanese yen pairs that are under my watch list for the coming days, and hope that helps everyone.